Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a really simple way how you can add Aliexpress reviews to your WIX website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get on this site called Lsite. Lsite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is Aliexpress reviews. So go to top right corner, sign up for free. Now you want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook or normal mail, completely up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right here in applications, you just want to write in a search Aliexpress. And here you're going to see Aliexpress reviews. So let's create a widget. Now you can simply choose carousel, reviews widget, grid. I'm going to choose this one here, the reviews widget. Continue with the template. Now you just add here your URL. Then I recommend go to filters and change the total numbers of reviews to show to like 4 or 5. On review, I recommend like deleting review source and just leaving it like this. And you can change styles and everything. Go to top right corner and save. Right after, you do need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you can have 5,000, 50,000 or 5 million views, go with the basic pro or enterprise. Now let's copy the code here. And what you want to do is really simple. Click add, go to empty under the contact form, custom empty widget. And simply just enter the code here. Update. And voila, here we got it. So I'll just scroll down a little bit. And now we got really great Aliexpress rating on our website on WIX. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. And yeah. Goodbye.